Hey, suavemente. Chum boom boom boom.
Savannah, I'm coming home, Savannah.
What it do, what it do? Back again coming through. That ain't nobody who will sue me. So about to do, they do. How are y'all doing? Okay, so we are back with another tutorial. Today's video is also going to be a fun one. I am going to be doing a, I don't know, pinky, mauvey, bird. That's, you know what I'm saying? That's the direction I am going in today. Finally, listen, y'all remember when I told y'all I ordered stuff from Beauty Bay long time ago? Girl, this has been sitting here collecting dust. I haven't used it yet. So today we are going to be playing with the Amrezy palette. Okay, and all the colors that are calling me are mostly like the pinky tones that are in there. So that's the direction I am heading in. Okay, kudos to homegirl for doing her thing. You know what I'm saying? You know, Weezy F baby is popping. But before we jump into this tutorial, first a word from our sponsors. Things first, I would like to thank Scentbird for sponsoring this video. So for those of you who don't know, Scentbird is a fragrance subscription company that gives you the opportunity to shop from over 600 brands. Plus they have other goodies like makeup and skincare. It's a flexible subscription, so you can skip any month without any hassle. And in case you were wondering, all the scents are authentic. They have from Prada, Gucci, Versace, as well as some indie brands. So there's something on here for everyone. Okay. As for me, the 3 scents that I got are Beep Please by Confessions of a Rebel. I got Rebecca Minkinoff and Amazing Grace by Philosophy. And can I tell you, they all smell great. Okay, so to purchase, just go ahead and download their app for iOS or Android, and don't forget to use my code. All the information will be in the description box down below. Yeah, so make sure you check out Scented Bird. All the information for these will be down in the description box. So without further ado, let's zoom in so we can get within. Okay, so like I said, I feel like I'm going in the pinky burgundy type of, y'all know I love pink. Pink is my favorite color, okay? And from this palette, that is what's calling me. So let's get started. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take, I don't know how you say that, Semsa. Okay, this burgundy shade right here, and with that I'm going to start to create my outer V. Just pack that in there, create the shape, and then we're gonna go in and blend all of that out. You feel me? I'm also gonna take that same color and just, you know, go ahead and handle that low lash line. You know what I'm saying? Well, wait, let's do it now. Okay, next up I'm gonna go in with Reezy herself. Okay, I just noticed that, which is this pink shimmer shade over here. Girl, go ahead, do you? What's your name in your palette? How you mean? Okay. And with that shade, we're just gonna, you know, start to kind of pat that into the middle, kind of swipe more than pat because it's shimmer. So we want it to really pop, you know what I'm saying? Okay. Okay, next up we're gonna go in with Cupcake, and Cupcake is this shimmery shade right here. And with that, we're just going to place that right in there and lightly pat over the next shade to blend it at the same time. Okay, ooh wee, look at these eyes. Girl, that is coming together nicely. For the rest of my lower lash line, I'm gonna take Barb, which is this shimmer shade right here. It's kind of like an iridescent, you know, it kind of reflects like green, blue, you know, them kind of colors. Girl, we just gonna put that in on the inner area right there, and then we're gonna get to blending. Okay, so to do some damage control, okay, we are going to go into New Yorker. I'm going to take New Yorker and the burgundy shade right here. So I'm just going to tap back and forth and kind of create my own transition shade, and at the same time just soften up that edge, okay, and just blow that out, bring that out. You know what I'm saying? That's going to take the look to another level. You know what I'm saying? But at the same time, I ain't got nothing else, girl. I don't know what I was gonna say, girl. So, very easy, right? So that is it for the eyes. Okay. No, that's a lie. Girl, why you in here lying to these people? Girl, we gonna take our Sacha Buttercup and we gonna set our brow bone area because that concealer is still wet and tacky. So we need to set that in place and at the same time, soften that blend. That's what we need to do. Girl, I'm just in here lying to y'all. Ooh. Now we're gonna go in with lashes. The lashes I am going to be using are just some generic brand that I got off of AliExpress. I ordered a bunch of them just to see what's going on. They look pretty good, so I'm gonna just go ahead and Throw these on and let's zoom out. Go, we gonna show out. We gonna do the do. You, me, and you. Ooh. Okay, so it's time for the face. So, first we need to moisturize just a little because you know I cleaned up under my eyes, okay, and so you want to put back some moisture right there. You don't want to go in without putting back moisture, okay? And because y'all know I am not done, I'm gonna go in with the Tatcha Silk Canvas Primer, and with this I'm just gonna smooth out the center of my face, only in that area. The rest of the face is okay. You just kind of want to use this to smooth out your pores and stuff like that. I find that you really don't need to put this all over your face. You see what I'm saying? Because it can be a little tad bit drying. So just go ahead and focus this in that T-zone as well. Or mainly like on your upper cheeks where your pores mostly are. If you're going to be using the MAC paint pot like how I use the MAC paint pot, try to not put this product in that area because I noticed that the two don't work well together. It's going to crease. Okay, next I'm going to go in with my MAC paint pot in Painterly, and we're just going to color correct and prevent smile lines. Okay, that's basically all this does. I say color correct because it's so opaque, you know, I have that little bit of darkness right there. This handles all of that, so I don't have to worry about stuff like that. So okay, for my foundation I'm going to be using Huda, what is this, chocolate mousse, and we're just going to pounce this all over the face. You see what I'm saying? I'm really liking this foundation, especially now that it's getting a lot, well, not getting, it's a good summer foundation basically. I like it in the winter time too. I guess that's because I'm oily. If you're an oily person, definitely check it out. You see what I'm saying? And comment down below, what is your favorite foundation and what foundation should I try? Let me know. Hey, suavemente. Chum boom boom boom. Okay, next up we are going to conceal, brighten, bring some, you know, definition back to the face a little bit, you know what I'm saying? And we're gonna do that with peanut butter. Okay, we're just gonna spread that right on top of this, okay? So before we, you know, deal with that and all of that good stuff, girl, look how stiff this is. Okay, we are going to contour, bring some depth to the face, okay? And I'm gonna be using I believe something is wrong with me. Okay, Suede Mocha by Black Opal. And to sort this out, I'm going to be using my brush, and I'm just going to pounce on top of this. Okay, just kind of pat at the same time. You don't want to swipe with this either, because you don't want to disturb like your foundation underneath, okay? Just tap it out. The brush will do it for you, as you can tell. Create that new jawline, lose some weight. As I'm saying, if you're like me and you got a little situation underneath there, it's okay. Contour will save the day. Just put a little shadow underneath there, girl. You look like you lost 10 pounds and you ain't even did nothing. They're gonna say, oh, you look slim, girl, what diet you on? Okay, and with my beauty sponge, I'm just going to pat out that concealer. Okay, so to set everything in place, well, to set the highlighted areas, I'm gonna be going in with Black Opal Medium Light. And honey, when I tell you a damp sponge is everything for setting your face feels a lot more flexible compared to like when you use a brush. I'm telling you, it's everything. I don't know why I was using a brush. Like, well, I don't know why I went back to that. My face feel nice. You know what I'm saying? Feel like I don't need to set it right away. Let me tell you, sometimes when I put the powder on, you feel like, oh my God, my face about to crack. I need to put some setting spray on top of that. If you see me pick up a brush to set my face, you have permission to unsubscribe. I'm just kidding. Okay, so on top of this, to bake a little bit, I'm going to be going in with the Sasha Buttercup powder, and we're just going to brighten and bake this area. Okay, so for the rest of my face, I'm going to be using Fenty Nutmeg. You guys already know how they go. And I'm just going to use the butt of my beauty blender to handle that. Girl, it's like I feel excited about my makeup again, you know what I mean? Like, because I know this stuff works, you know? Like, when I do my face this way with the damp sponge, like, honey, it's just different. And it feels good. Ooh. Try it. Y'all know I don't steer y'all wrong, okay? I see them DMs, everybody thanking me for the paint pot and stuff. I'm telling you, try this. Let me know what's going on. But you gotta squeeze the water out though. Squeeze it out good, okay? It should just be damp, not wet. Okay, so to contour a little bit more, I'm gonna go in with Leader, and with that, I'm just gonna create some depth on my cheeks and my chin, just a little bit more, just to enhance that cream underneath there. Ooh, girl, ooh, just a little bit, not too much, okay? And now we got to bronzify because we're still trying to catch Poppy eye in quarantine, okay? This is Supreme, and she's a lot more red, and I like to take her on the forehead areas. And these bronzers are really pigmented, so you just want to go in with a light hand. You don't need, you know what I'm saying, to go crazy. We're just gonna hug that top area. Okay, not that it's really needed, but I'm going to do a little reverse contour. That's enough. Dust that away, sort that back out. Now we're going to pat this in and smooth it out. Look at under eye. Bright, how I like it. Pretty, how I like it. And then with the butt, we're just going to blend in between, because there's still some of that powder from when we set our face. Just gonna blend that out. Girl, we are bright today. Okay. Okay, we need to bring back our nose, so I'm going to be using Fenty's Nutmeg, and we're just going to contour the nose. And I'm literally just dipping from the cap because you don't need a lot to do this. Okay, we are coming together. So off camera, I went ahead, put on my little top, did some body shimmer, okay, because you know we got that décolleté out. And I did my mascara. I put black eyeliner in the waterline. So now it's time for these cheeks, honey. So listen, lately I just been grabbing this one palette because why am I stressing myself out? Everything I need is in here. Do you see the colors in here? Listen to me. If you're a black girl, white girl, yellow girl, purple girl, listen, everything you need is in here. She has everything for everybody. Okay, what we gonna do today? Should we do a little pink on the cheek? Should we do it? You know what? Let's just go for it. Okay, I'll do a little bit of pink on the cheek. Okay, now this pink is pigmented, so you gotta go in lightly and treat it politely. Girl, look at that already. Coming together. I'm also gonna be using the highlighters that are in here because, like I said, why are we stressing ourselves out grabbing all these products? Ooh, come through. Okay. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and spray myself down and then do my lips. Just to marry everything together, you know what I'm saying? Okay, for my lips today, we're gonna be doing another Juvia's Place combo. I'm really loving the Cola pencil, and I'm gonna be using Chic lipstick and So Glaze lip gloss. Almost couldn't get that out, and everything is matching over here. Okay, so Lego. Okay guys, so that is it for this tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I absolutely love how everything came out. You guys know I love pink, and it's been a while since we've done a pink look, so I had to do it one time for the one time. You see what I'm saying? Y'all can expect pink looks for the rest of your life from me, okay? That's just the way it is, okay? Yes. Make sure you check out Scentbird. All the information for them will be down in the description box. If it is your first time here, go ahead and subscribe, join the tribe, come on in. We are a happy bunch, and as grandma used to say, if you ain't got nothing nice to say, don't say saying nothing at all. We gonna exercise that in here as well. Thumbs up the video if you liked it. Share the video because sharing is caring. Comment down below. I want to hear from you guys. Follow me on all of my social media platforms, which is Instagram, Snapchat. Everything is under Savannah Sylver. And until the next video, take care of yourselves. I love you guys so much, and I will see you guys really, really soon.
Drip, drip, now drip, drip, drip. Oh, I flick the switch, kill the lights. Oh, wasted. City lights are shining so bright. All these empty faces, we don't care about them tonight.